How to get moon mango showcase in Grow a Garden. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in the Roblox game Grow a Garden, the moon mango is a divine tier crop that was added in the Twilight Shop update. It recently got a buff, making it a good way to earn shekels. So how you can get the moon mango? You need to wait for a night event. Moon mangoes are only available during night events, which happen regularly and are announced in the game. So go to the Twilight Shop, and the Twilight Shop opens in the central area during the night events. You can buy the moon mango seed. Look for the moon mango seed in the Twilight Shop. It costs 1 billion shekels or 999 Robux. The seed stock is limited, so it might not always be available. So why the moon mango is good? It has high value. After the buff, each moon mango sells for about 100,000 to 150,000 shekels before mutations. This is similar to other valuable crops like candy blossom, and the moon mango tree produces fruit multiple times, giving you a steady income. The moon mangoes can mutate into rare types like shocked, celestial, or disco, which sell for much more. And what are the tips to make more profit? You need to place it strategically. Put your moon mango tree in the center of your garden so sprinklers can reach it easily. This helps it grow faster and increases the chance of mutations. You can also use sprinklers or advanced or godly sprinklers to speed up growth and improve the chance of mutations. And watch for events. Pay attention to night events so that you can buy the moon mango seed when it's in stock. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.